In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate bonus in Microsoft Excel. This is a very simple formula, and once you understand it, you can use the same method for many other percentage-based calculations in Excel as well. If you need to work out an employee bonus based on salary, Excel makes the process quick and accurate. Start by opening your Excel file and locating the salary data you want to use. Then click on the cell where you want the bonus result to appear. This is the cell where Excel will calculate and display the answer, so make sure you choose the correct spot before entering the formula. Next, type an equal sign to begin the formula. In Excel, every formula starts with an equal sign, which tells the program that you wanted to calculate something instead of treating the entry as plain text. After that, enter the cell reference that contains the salary amount. Then type an asterisk, which is the multiplication symbol in Excel. After the asterisk, enter the bonus percentage and make sure to include the percent sign. For example, if the salary is in cell B2 and you want to calculate a 10% bonus, type equals B2 asterisk 10%. Once the formula is complete, press enter. Excel will instantly calculate the result. So if the salary in B2 is 1,000, a 10% bonus will return 100. This works because Excel is multiplying the salary amount by the percentage you entered. A helpful tip here is to double check that you included the percent sign. If you leave it out, Excel may treat the number differently and give you a result you weren't expecting. It's also a good idea to confirm that the salary cell contains a number, not text, so the formula can calculate properly. This method is useful because it saves time and reduces mistakes compared to calculating bonuses manually. And if you want to repeat the same bonus calculation for other salaries, you can use the same formula pattern by changing only the cell reference or percentage as needed. That's all there is to it. Once you know the basic structure, calculating bonus amounts in Microsoft Excel becomes fast, easy, and reliable.